This is one of the most celebrated and widely quoted hymns or shabads by Guru Gobind Singh. It is commonly seen being used as a battle anthem. The composition is arousing, inspirational, and a call to firmly act with courage despite overwhelming odds in both the outer or the inner world. देह शिवा बर मोहे एहे, शुभ कर्मन te kabhu na taru. Guru Sahib prays to the one Almighty God, please grant me just one boon, and that is, I should never deviate from the path of auspicious deeds, and never should I shirk from behaving in the most upright and considerate manner. I should always be eager to carry out kind and noble deeds to protect the poor, weak, and the needy of the world. Here, the point to be noted is that he is not praying for himself, as he was an evolved soul, a saint who had come in this world to help and guide us, human beings, how to conduct our lives day to day in this world, which is a battlefield, and we are the warriors, whom he wishes to be committed to righteous deeds only. न डरो अरिसों जब जाए लड़ो, निश्चय कर अपनी जीत करो. He further explains that we should not be afraid of the enemy when we go to fight in the battlefield, no matter where the battle or conflict is, in the physical battlefield for some noble cause, in the house among the family members for some disputable issue, on the road or school with classmates or strangers for petty things. In reality, all these are a manifestation of the tug of war going on within us between truth or God and evil or Maya. We know that the path of truth is right but difficult to walk on. So we get tempted by Maya or illusion, as it is an easier path to tread on. This example will make it more clear. We are driving and a car comes at a very fast speed and overtakes us from the wrong side and hits a motorbike hard and speeds away. A boy and a girl are lying full of blood on the road. We know the right thing to do is to park on one side and try to help them, or at least call the ambulance or police. But we think there are so many others also who witnessed the accident, or by doing so, we might get in trouble, etc., etc. So we continue driving. This is what it means by being misled by Maya and be afraid of treading on the path of truth and light. अरुसिक हों अपने ही मन को, एह लालच हौ गुन तौ उचरों. I know my mind keeps desiring something or the other all the time. I will be your good student and teach my mind that only one greed is acceptable, and that is being greedy of repeating God's name and singing His praises always. I would allow my mind to be attached only to the truth or God, as that is the only worthwhile attachment. So the right thing for us to do is target all our impulses and emotions to the one Lord. If we want to win the battle of life, we are fighting every day in the battlefield of this world. जब आव की औध निधान बने, अति ही रण में तब जूझ मरों. Finally, when the time comes for this mortal life to end, we should not be afraid and gladly disappear. Neither should we fear physical death, nor be afraid of dissolution into you when the opportunity comes. We should let our ego, our I-ness, dissolve in you happily. This world is our battlefield, and we all are the warriors fighting the battle against evil and darkness. If we are steadfast on the path of truth and light, we will surely win the battle.